Doesn't matter what equipment you have. If you're not controlling your climate, not controlling the environment it's at, you're going to run into problems, you know.
That's right.
And save yourself the problems, you know, spend a couple $100 or whatever to insulate and
Yeah,
get
definitely.
an
I mean,
AC, you know.
if you're not comfortable in the environment you're printing in, your printer's definitely not comfortable, you
Yep.
know?
Yep. Man, what a concept.
Yeah.
But you know, a lot of times, even our tech team, especially when it's summer, right? We need to ask, you know, how's your temperature? You know, what's the humidity in there? Do you
Yeah.
have an AC? I mean, we even had people like, yeah, I have an AC, and then we go on site, yeah, they have an AC. It's on the floor in a box. They haven't installed it yet, you know.
But like, yeah, definitely you want to, get your temperature in order. Definitely
Yeah,
get your temperature in order. You can't have like you can't be printing in a 90-degree oven, like and nothing's gonna come out right. So
yeah,
definitely make sure your environment is on point. So let's think about painting for a reason, for starts. If
yep,
you're painting, if you're painting in a hot environment or in, a super, moist, humid environment, whether you're spray painting a car, you know, the environment when you're painting a car has to be just right in order for you to, have the paint and the coat of that paint on that car come out perfect. So your environment definitely has a lot to do with your quality. So I'd say everybody, please, like, please, if you sometimes you may think, oh my God, something's wrong with the printer, my quality is off. It's actually your environment.